Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and safe at your home. Today, we are going to discuss about Indian war heroes and victories of India. This is our country, India. This is the map of our country, India. Our country, India, is sharing borders with Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Burma. Sometimes these neighboring countries, Pakistan and China, trying to enter our country from the borders, and they are trying to occupy some of the places of our country in the borders. Our fighters and our heroes trying to protect our country from these neighboring countries, and they are fighting with these neighboring countries like Pakistan and China, those who are trying to enter our country, and they are sacrificing their lives for the sake of our country. Our Indian government awarding our heroes who is fighting in the borders and protecting our country from the neighboring countries. They are sacrificing their lives for the sake of our country. Those who are showing their brave in the presence of enemy, they are awarding with Paramavir Chakra award. This Paramavir Chakra means wheel of the ultimate brave. The award Paramavir Chakra is granted for most conspicuous bravery in the presence of enemy. This is the Paramavir Chakra award giving for the heroes who are fighting in the borders and sacrificing their lives for the sake of the country. Victories of India. Some of the victories of India now we are going to discuss. Indo-Pak War fought against Pakistan in 1947. Operation Polo for Hyderabad in 1948. Goa Liberation War fought against Portuguese in 1961. Indo-Pak War against Pakistan in 1965. Indo-Pak War fought against Pakistan in 1971. Kargil War against Pakistan in 1999. Indo-Pak War of 1947. This war starts on October 1947, ends on January 1st, 1949. Our neighboring country Pakistan army and trying to enter into Kashmir and take over Srinagar. Maharaja Har Singh is the king of Kashmir and he wants to be part of Union of India. Now the Jammu and Kashmir becomes integral part of the India. This war leads to the formation of Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK and the line of control between the two nations. Some of Indian war heroes sacrificed their lives for the sake of our country. Major Somnath Sharma, born in 31st January 1923, he died in 1947 at the age of 24. He involved in the wars World War II and Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. Naik Jadanath Singh, who lost his life in Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. He was born in 21st November 1916. He lost his life in 1948 at the age of 31. He involved in wars Second World War, Arakan Campaign 1942 to 1943 and he participated in Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. Our next Indian victory is Operation Polo. Hyderabad's Nizam Osman Ali Khan wanted to be the part of Pakistan. This leads to the mass murder of Hindu population. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel decides to annex the state of Hyderabad. In September 1948, Indian armed forces attacked the princely state of Hyderabad and saved the people and save our Hyderabad. Goa Liberation War. In 1961, the Indian armed forces attacked and liberated Goa from colonial Portuguese rule. This war lasted for 36 hours and resulted in victory for the Indian armed forces. This war ended 451 years of colonial rule of Portuguese in India. Indo-Pak War of 1965. Pakistan attacked India on 6 September 1965. The purpose of the war to take over Kashmir from India. This war lasts for 5 weeks. India defeats the Pakistan. During this Indo-Pakistan War of 1965, we lost some of Indian war heroes. Havildar Abdul Hamid. He was born in 1933 July and he lost his life at the age of 32 in 1965. He involved in war Sino-Indian War, Indo-Pakistan War of 1965, Battle of Asal Uttar. Lieutenant Colonel A.B. Tarapur was born in 1923 August and he lost his life at the age of 42 in 1965. He involved in war Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, Battle of Chavinda. Our next victory of India is Indo-Pak War of 1971. Pakistan treating very badly the Hindu population in 1971 in East Pakistan. This leads to increasing number of refugees coming to India. Civil war broken out in East Pakistan. India decided to do war with Pakistan and this war lasts for 2 weeks and this leads to the formation of Bangladesh with the defeat of Pakistan. During this war of Indo-Pakistan of 1971, we lost some of our Indian war heroes. Lansi Naik Albert Eka. He was born in December 1942 and he lost his life in 1971 at the age of 28 in this war. Second Lieutenant Arun Khettarpal was born in 1950 October and he lost his life at the age of 21 in 1971. He involved in Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 and Battle of Basantar. Our next Indian victory is Kargil War. This war started in May 1999 and ended in July 1999. This war is with Pakistan as they entered into Kashmir to occupy. India won this war. Some of our Indian war heroes lost their life in Kargil War. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, he was born in 1975 June and he lost his life at the age of 24 in 1999. He involved in Kargil War. Naib Subedar Sanjay Kumar, he was born in 3rd March 1976 and he lost his life at the age of 41. He involved in Kargil War. There are so many Indian war heroes involved in the wars and protecting our nation and protecting our country from the neighboring countries, and they are sacrificing lives for the sake of our country. Jai Hind. Children, I hope you all understand India war heroes and India war victories. Thank you children. Have a nice day.